good morning, Group 52. The children of Israel were slaves in Egypt for over 400 years. After they witnessed God release devastating plagues against Egypt, after they crossed the Red Sea, where God decimated their enemies, they stood in a new land with all of their freedom. And in Numbers chapter 11, verse 5, they said, "We remember the fish we would freely eat in Egypt. The onions, the leeks, the cucumbers, the melon, the garlic." They began to reminisce on what they loved about Egypt. This happens because when you remain in bondage for too long, there's a portion of it that you begin to love. Because it's comfortable, because it meets at least one of your needs halfway. Group 52, possibly this year, this month, even this week, God may be calling you out of that place of comfort, out of that bad thing that you began to love just a little bit, into what He has prepared for you. Some of us have stayed in relationships too long, stayed in jobs too long, chased the wrong things, spent too much time in the wrong places, in bondage, because there was something in that bondage that met at least one of our needs halfway. Group 52, now is the time to say, God, I will love what you love and hate what you hate. Where you lead, I will follow. It may not be comfortable escaping bondage, but what God has in store for you on the other side of you following Him is more incredible than anything you've ever read. So God bless you, Group 52. Follow God, comfortable or not, and have the best week of your life.